Good morning to everyone. My name is Prajualit Tickoo. I am from class 10th A of Dalhousie Public School, Dalhousie. This is my internal assessment activity for the subject of information technology. This activity is based on relational database management system. In this activity, we are going to create 5 queries and display the SQL statement and the result displayed by each query. So let's get started.
So, to learn how to create a query, we have to open Microsoft Access. So, after opening Microsoft Access, we will find our screen like in this way. In the Open Recent Database column, you can see the older databases which have been created by me. But right now, we need a new blank database. So, double click on blank database. Here you can see that a file name has come, that is database 3. Rename this as class 10A. Now press on create button. So we can see that our database has been created. Now here you have to right click on the table 1 option and then click on design view. Then you have to name the table as table 1. See, now we can see a field name has come over here. Now we need the field names like SNO, HNO, that is house number. I have created the rest of the field names for you so that it would be easier to understand. Now, let's understand what is data type. For SNO, that is serial number, I have taken the data type as auto number. This means that when I'll be doing the work in my database, then the numbers will automatically be written on the database. Now in the house number, I have taken number because we need numbers over here. And for name, house, class, place and gender, we need text that is in form of alphabets. So I have taken text over here, and for date of birth, we need date and time. Also remember, we cannot put any spaces or any other things between the names over here. And if we keep the option in data type as auto number, then we won't be able to edit the number serial over here in serial number. Now here we have to keep our primary key as house number because we want a unique house number for every field. Now we have to right click on the table 1 option, then select on data sheet view. Now they are asking us to save the table, so we will be clicking on yes. Now as you can see, it has been formed already with all the new fields. So I have already created a sample database for you all so that it would be easier to understand for you all. Now let's start creating different types of queries using this table. So first we have to go on create tab. Then we have to select query design. Now here we have to click on add and then we have to click on close. Now right clicking on the query 1 option, then we have to click on SQL view. Now here we have to put a asterisk after the select option. Then here the semicolon is used to end a statement in this query. So here we have to enter the conditions which we want. So our first condition is that the house number of the students should be greater than or equal to 8,000. So we will write where house number is greater than or equal to 8,000. So now we have to right click on the query one and then we have to select datasheet view. So now here we can see all the different names of the students whose house number is above 8,000. It has been written over here. Now we have to create the next query. So again go to create option and then create query design, then click on add, then on close, then right clicking on query 2 we have to select SQL view. Now here we have to add a multiplication sign, that is asterisk. Now here we have to write our condition. The condition here is that we have to find the students that are from the place Delhi. So we will write where place equal to, here we have to put a annotation over the place Delhi. So now we have to right click on query 2, then we have to select datasheet view. So here we can see that we have got the students who belong to Delhi place. Now going the same way we have to create our query 2. We have to go to create and then we have to click on query design. Here we have to click on add, then close. Now here we have to click on SQL view. Again we have to type an asterisk over here. Then our third condition is that we have to take the male students in the list. So we will type where gender is equal to, again, male. Here also we have to put a inverted comma. Now right click on query 3, then datasheet view. So here we can see that the students who are male in our list. Now same way for the query 4. Go to create tab, then query design, then click on add, then close, then right click on the query 4 and then select SQL view. Here we have to type an asterisk. Now here our condition is that we want the list of only the female students who belong from the Rana house. So here we will be writing where gender is equal to inverted comma female, and we have to write over here and house is equal to Rana, again inverted commas. Now right click on the query 4 and select datasheet view. So here we can get the only student who is female and is from Rana house. Now same way we have to go for our last query, that is query 5. Click on the create tab, then query design, then add button, then close, then right click on the query 5 SQL view. Now we have to select and we have to type asterisk over here. Now our last condition is that we want the names of the students only from class 10th A. So here we'll be writing where class is equal to, under inverted commas, 10th A. Now again right click on the query 5, then select datasheet view. So we get the students names who are from the class 10th A. Now I hope so that you would have understood a lot through my video. Thank you.